This is Module 5, Lesson 5. Look at the shape you see. What shape is that? You're right, it's a circle. Watch as I partition the whole. How many equal parts are there? You're right, there are 2 equal parts. What's the name of each unit? Yes, 1/2. I've shaded in a part of my circle. What fraction is shaded? That's right, 1/2. Just like any number, we can write 1/2 in many ways. This is the unit form. 1/2. This is the fraction form. Both of these refer to the same number, 1 out of 2 equal units. We call 1/2 a unit fraction because it names one of the equal parts. What's the name of this shape? You're right, it's a square. I've separated my square into 3 equal parts. What is the name of each unit? You're right. If you said 1/3 or 1/3. I'm going to shade one part of my square. What part is shaded? That's right, 1/3. To review, we've talked today about unit fraction. A unit fraction has a 1 in our numerator. That shows how much one piece of your fraction is worth. The unit form is the written form, 1/3.